Me? Me?
And so where you call me and I see me
I soon
asleep.
come back. Me I go out a shop there. Out a
Anything
pang
where
there.
you go look for you we
Go
get
sit
it.
down and drink one liquor there. When me I come back, me catch a destroyer for you there.
I've used this
I
trials
soon come
fast.
back. Good evening, Mr. Pang.
Even fan sour breeze blow you out, you know.
Pangy? What go on there now, Pangy?
A lot has been going on.
I want you to sell me one cold beer there. Me sit down drink. And me I go want you trust me to destroy you because me not have enough money right here now. You hear? And I don't know why the government no raise up a little pension money. Because this little money I can't do nothing at all. And I make I tell you something there, Mr. Pam. Me happy buy the two destroyer. Because as the summer come in, and you know me no got no fun. I want book me happy take on fun there, Mr. Pam at night. A good thing say me whole. I mean I'm too sweat. Because me would have frozen at the morning. We see how the place hot. I mean they even have fun. And Mr. Pam, me don't know about out at the front here, so who know how water. But through me live down in the valley there. And then say the pump now work in the area, so me can't get no water. And the rain not fall as much. So the little barrel them when me have the water in a morning time when me wake up and fi bathe. Sometimes me can't bathe because the water no enough. And me too holy enough to walk go a river. Eh? Me can't manage the river going
So fans on every
because
election
from
you
your
vote. Your
picnic,
MP
me a
can buy
go
you
a
one
river.
black tank.
No, at times when me sit down and me check say the government would do something, even get one good pump and put in at the area so that like I'll hold me fan so no can get proper water system because I mean I tell you me can't manage cause me got all one pain in me back there. Look if you see the pain there for me. Eh? I tell you man. Sometimes when the pain rock me so, oh, I can hardly go. Well, so me I tell you, more no mind for this election. Them could have do something. Because the water commission, me no know what purpose them serving at the country, you know. I don't know. All them want a money, 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 and them not doing nothing. Because them claims to say water pressure low. So only the people them out on the front I get liquor water. And me can't even carry barrel pan head here now because me they even got head. The only head me have here now I feel wear me hot. Head can't carry no water. And as you see me already, me they even walk strong. Eh? Because, me I tell you, you wouldn't like to know the amount of pain where he in my body here. Eh, I mean, I tell you, say, sometimes, one day right here, so he in my back. And me can't even walk again. I sit down, and me depend on a little pension. Me get one little pension, and my wife get one little pension. I hit we have to take. Because you can't depend on the picking them now, you know, Mr. Pang, because they have their own burden to carry, so you can't depend on them. Eh? But me take time I carry on still. But me no know. At night them the night there hot there, hot there, hot there, hot. Oh, me I tell you, a good thing say me now perspire so much again. Cause me no young. Else me no know how would I manage. And then the mosquito them is another thing to talk about. Hey, be the night done the two destroyer done. Eh? And the destroyer them dear and they not got no use. Because already destroyer but the mosquito this are singing at me. He is wee wah wah. Eh? Hey. Me say everywhere you turn Makajuk you. Because if me picking them did even fi say fi buy me one AC. And when me did I go get the money fi pay the bill when they had a light place come fi suck out we eye. How would I manage? Me did I want little piece of fan there but it no broke down. And me no got money fi buy none because the little pension money as me tell you now already. Mr. Pam, nah catch up, nah catch no matter how me I try stretchy. Right here now we hold fi bus like elastic band. So me no know how me hold fan so I go manage. So you make me go sit down out a shop front here little and blow off myself. That be the time me reach round. A time fi drop asleep. Me, see the two destroyer them here, you take them there for me there and light them. Me I go drink one cup of tea, yeah, you hear? Because no matter how the night hot, me have to drink a big cup of tea. Me don't know how some people drink so small tea down here so. No. Me have to drink 1/4 tea when me a drink. That me can burp. Yes. And then after me done drink the tea, me catch one big jug of water and drink. I saw me do it, I saw me do it. Yes. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and turn on your notification bell, and return for another episode. Okay, and thank you very much for all my subscribers. And my new subscribers, thank you very much too. Please don't stroll past and don't subscribe, you know. Every subscriber is important. It motivates fans to move forward. Thank you.